And we're recording.
Good.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And so we've got the hairpin right, opens and immediately tightens again. Down to an open hairpin left. Okay, square left, square right, square left, then square right. Okay, then we've got the 90 left into a 90 left, opens onto the straight. Okay, you're all clear at the merge from what I can see. We're going right, right, right. And it's a hairpin right into a square left. Through that chicane, go down the hill to a square left. Square left into hairpin right. There we go, slightly different. There we go, well done. Back on stage, back on stage, back on stage. There we go, mate. Through the gateway. Open right. And we've got the open 90 right. Flat left. Long flat left, here we go. And then we're coming up to the 90 right at McLean's. Right end chicane mid-corner. Open right onto the straight, it's flat, flat, flat. Then we're down to a hairpin right. Into an open hairpin left. Well done, mate. And then we're going down right, 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 stay right, right, right. Same again, hairpin right, and then through that chicane, little chicane. That's it. Square left at the bottom of the hill. Okay, and then we've got that square left and the right, the marshals are still there. There we go, well done. Brilliant, this side, that's it, brilliant. Through the gateway, and then open right onto the circuit. '90 right, open 90 right, down here at the bottom. And then we've got the long flat left going up to McLean's. '90 right at McLean's. Right hand chicane mid-corner. Opens onto the circuit, flat out. And then we've got the hairpin right and the long hairpin left. This time we're going left at the split. We're going left at the split, we're all clear at the merge, my friends. and it's a square left into a square right. Square left, square right, square right. Nicely done, sir. Down to a left-hand chicane. Square left. Square left. Square left. Square left. Square left. Sorry, square right. Bloody hell, James. Square right. There we go. Then a square left. Square right down to the hairpin. Square right at the top of the hill. Open right into open left. Square right. Square left. Square left. Square left. I'll be honest, mate, it's a couple of corners from the end. Okay, got his 45 up to a hairpin right. Okay, square left. Square, and then we've got square left over finish and we're done. Well done, mate. You happy with that?
Yeah. One or two little things, but yes, apart from that, good.
Woo!